wheel is massive. Look, I can fit my whole arm. This is so big. Oh, this thing is massive. 4-play, 4P F5. Satin black finish on the face, gloss black on the outer barrel. The hardware is actually functional because this centerpiece is one piece and this outer barrel is actually the entire barrel, so it must be bolting the centerpiece to the outer barrel. So that's cool. So this is a 2-piece wheel, which makes sense. I mean, look at the concavity of this thing. You guys see? Look at this. Oh my god, it's like a skate ramp. I don't know what that was. If you didn't see my Vegas/SEMA vlog, first off, I'm very disappointed in you. Second off, you should go watch that now. Actually, don't watch that now. We gotta finish this vlog first, then watch it. 3, this center cap is freaking cool. Let me show you. A lot of truck wheels have this overly sized center cap, right? And I think that's really cool, especially for being a truck wheel. But I like how they design this. It almost looks like a center lock design with these teeth here, which is kind of cool, like a Porsche center lock. I mean, you guys get that, right? It's like a bank vault. It's like, you know, it goes click, 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 click. I feel like that's what I'm seeing. I don't know. I can't get over the concavity of this. Like, I want to see this on a truck. Imagine this wheel on a Cybertruck.
Nice.
I like the design language because like this whole part here, the hardware with like the web design here is kind of busy, it's kind of detailed, but then matched with the 5-spoke in the middle just really complements it because it's simple. You don't really pay too much attention to the spokes because it's just very simple. But the outer edges here are just really detail oriented, so it's a nice blend between, you know, clean, simple with a little bit busy, detail oriented, technical look, I guess you want to call it. I don't know, but it's nice. It's a nice balance.